scrambling up the falls, and jumping off a cliff. We go stream hiking in one of the most beautiful valleys in Hong Kong. This is Sheung and Fern. Welcome to episode 8 of the Water Adventure series. We are here now in Psycho. What are we gonna do today?
I need to look it up.
I will fast forward this part.
So today, George, we're going to go to the Sheung Luk Trail. This is a classic Hong Kong stream hike, probably the most popular. We have done it once before on Drone and Phone, but then it was more of a technical know-how, how to do it. And it wasn't me, it was a youth group that were doing it then.
Ah, that's for me, yeah.
It's a reasonably short hike. We think about 6 kilometers in total, but it should be really beautiful. Look at this. What a great start. Let's go.
Let's go! Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter, so we're taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has lots of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. In this episode, we go stream hiking up to the beautiful Sheung Luk stream in Sai Kung East Country Park. We take a taxi from Sai Kung Central to Sai Wan Pavilion, then along the path to Sai Wan Beach, where the water is probably the clearest I have ever seen in Hong Kong. It is definitely worth spending an entire day just on the beach relaxing. The water is so clean. This is amazing, yeah, paradise. This is paradise. My only question is, why did you ask me not to bring my life jacket?
Because you can stand up, George.
Yeah, right. After a short break in the sea, we turn left and follow the river. The mouth of Sheung Luk stream is right in front of us. We hike up a series of consecutive deep rock pools and falls where you can either go around the side or jump in and swim over.
But I think here is going to be too deep for you. Maybe you can go around the side.
After an hour of scrambling and swimming upstream, we reach the most popular fall on this trail, Thousand Fresh Fall. The view here is absolutely stunning, and with a 50-meter high cliff, DJ can't help himself from climbing up, and yes, you guessed it, jumping off. Bravo, 10 out of 10.
Thank you, thank you.
After the jump, we climb up the fall and continue with our journey. In front of us is another high cliff we need to scramble up.
Well, looks like we've come to a bit of a dead end here. Unless we're going to scramble up here, we're going to have to find a way up here. But it looks
It's a 90-degree scramble.
a little bit steep.
There's a dam after the big cliff. Climbing over the dam, you will see the well-maintained local trail. From here, we walk back down to Sai Wan Pavilion and take a taxi back to Sai Kung Central. So that's the end of this episode. Not too technical, but the get out is so dangerous.
It's not too bad, 6.5 kilometers, but this one I've really got to recommend. This is by far one of my favorite hikes that I've done.
Same here.
And he was been saying the same. A really big shout out to Kailas for your shoes. We absolutely love these shoes and they have saved us. There we go, down there. Oh, there he is. And also to Sheung Luk, of course, for your bags, which have kept all of our stuff dry. Actually really useful for going through all these lakes and the water. Yeah, great day out.
Yep. Don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out journandroom.com.
My name's DJ Clark.
And I'm George.
This is Drone and Phone.